JAMB don suspend worker over 36 million naira wey dey say na snake na im get am. Former senator and retired army general John Shagaya, he don die for car accident. I no get power to give herdsmen land o. President Buhari na im talk am. Sanusi don tell TLive group, e say make dey go expose the people wey dey kill for the cattle association. Now make we hear the tori. The Emma for Kano, Sanusi Lamido, he don tell the herdsmen, the ones wey dey under TLive group for Nigeria, he say make they bring out the person wey no good for their middle. He say because all this katakata wey in dey hear say Fulani herdsmen say na dem be criminal, he say the thing e dey pain am for body. He say because criminal they no dey get tribal mark. JAMB don suspend Philomena Shishe, the one wey be say na she talk say snake na im base 36 million naira comot for their office wey dey Makurdi for Benue State. The person wey be the head of information, Fabian Benjamin, he say they don dey find many ways to take comot this katakata, to find where this money where e waka go. Even the snake wey come move am sef, say they dey find am. Minister for Finance, Kemi Adeosun, she say make people put their mind for rest, say because federal government e no go carry the capital budget wey be 2.4 trillion naira come put am for election matter. He say the money na for infrastructure, the one wey be say na for road matter and many projects wey dey for the country dem. He say so nothing like say they wan carry the matter come move am go election. Former senator wey die, John Shagaya, na the one wey be say Buhari just give position, say na im go be the chairman for National Institute for Policy and Strategy Studies for Naija. Na im the man die for car accident when he dey go in house for Jos. Governor Godwin Obaseki, he don follow sympathize for the death of the retired army general John Shagaya, the one wey die for accident. He say this in death, e dey shook person for inside clothes. He say because na big blow. He say even no be only for APC, he say even for Nigeria papa. He say because the late general, he na the chief team for APC for Plateau State where he for come. Governor Obaseki come still say General Shagaya na person wey be say in dey try see how Nigeria go take waka forward, and na how ogbonge things go dey happen for Nigeria, the one wey we dey call prosperity for Oyinbo. He say na all those things na John Shagaya dey do. He say this one wey this man don come waka go meet Baba God so. He say all these things na in Naija people na in dem go miss, because no be small death na in be this one wey happen so. President Buhari, he don talk im own. He say for Land Use Act wey dey 1978, say he no get power kpakpa to give people land, say make they come dey rear cattle. He come talk this one for where they get South interactive section. The person wey come help am talk this one na the essay wey dey for National Assembly matter, Senator Ita Inang. He say na only people wey dey for law matter na im fit give people land. He say president, he no get power kpakpa to give people land, say make they come dey rear cattle, because no be him be the president for the state dem. Na here we see the tori reach. Very soon we will still carry many tori tanda gidigba give for una. Na talk I dey yarn this one, and na TLive na im carry the tori come meet una.